So maybe if you can each share just some simple things that maybe you do to market the wash, dry, fold, pickup and delivery to the community.
So for our pickup and delivery, AdWords is big for us. We do SEO and Facebook and Instagram. For our drop-off, fluff and fold, and for our self-serve laundromats, we do Facebook and Instagram, and we're just beginning with geo-targeting. But Facebook is definitely the cheapest. You can do it yourself. I think we've seen over the years, it doesn't have to be a production, personable. It can just, even if it's just a quick video of you walking into your laundry. I'm not good at it. I don't do it enough. Follow Luke, you'll see. He's always videoing himself and walking up to a customer and talking to them. When we have pictures or posts that are with my husband, Russell, or myself in our laundry, it gets twice as many views as any post we talking about a laundry tip or something. The community loves when we're showing that what we're doing in the community. With fluff and folds, obviously it's a little more service because they're leaving it with you. But if you already have a presence with the laundry, then you already have those followers. When you start the fluff and fold, like Colleen said, you'll have people that use you because of something happening in their life or a need, and they'll switch back and forth. But we don't necessarily have exclusive fluff and fold versus self-serve customers in our laundromat. Our pickup and delivery obviously is a little bit different. So we market to all our customer base, not just to try to get a fluff and fold customer, because they'll end up being both a lot of times.
I think, Ross, you're underselling your video capabilities because you do have a very nice video. I think it's on your website that you talk a lot about what you're doing in the community. So I would highly recommend that anybody check that out. I enjoyed it.
Thank you. I didn't produce it, which was nice that we got to be a part of that organization that does videos like that with different organizations, and it was a lot of fun. It was great.
Yeah, it was well done. So Colleen, what about you? What do you do as far as marketing for your business?
First, there's kind of three parts to it, but the first one is if you don't come up on the top for wash, dry, fold near me or laundry pickup near me, I mean, do it yourself. Take Siri and ask your phone. And if your laundry didn't come up, you're not in the running. It's kind of that simple. And that's SEO from your website. That's all it is. It's search engine optimization, and we all are doing it. How do I get somewhere, and where do I go? And laundry has to be part of that. And if you don't know, talk to your website people and find out what the analytics are on your website for answering those searches. And maybe you have work to do for your website, but I maintain that we meet regularly to make sure on any possible search string, I am number one. And that's what drives traffic is, oh, well, there it is. And then they'll go to the reviews, right? So managing your reviews is marketing. Asking for reviews is marketing. We also do we call it just guerrilla type marketing. We will go to the people in the store and say, hey, if you have a loved one who needs our services, we do laundry here. Because a lot of people don't realize that we do that. They don't even know what's happening because it's behind the counter. So it just, oh, you do, yeah, my mom had knee surgery or back surgery. Well, here's a discount for them, and here's one for you too. It's just I guess they call it relational marketing, right? But we just call it, just getting out there. We're trying to be like hyper local. We we partner, each store or division is partnered with a nonprofit, because I believe in giving back to the community, like lots of us do, Ross included, but also because it gives you something to talk about. Anybody can talk about the machines or we're clean. Okay, well, once you're past clean, now what? If they believe you're clean and they know you're clean, now what? Well, we do all the laundry at the laundromat. We do all the laundry for the Boys and Girls Club. And that's a big deal. And so we go to their events, we buy tables at their auctions, and it's just awareness. So that's our marketing, is really about awareness.